Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Start by flipping the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the battery release latch and slide it to unlock. Remove the battery carefully and set it aside. Next, identify the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all the visible screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Some HP14 models may have hidden screws under rubber feet or stickers. Carefully peel these back to reveal any additional screws. Once all screws are removed, take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as the panel may be clipped in certain areas. Work your way around the edges until the panel comes loose. With the back panel off, locate the hard drive. It is usually situated near the center of the laptop. You will see a metal bracket holding it in place. Remove the screws securing this bracket. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver. If you find it difficult to access, remember that professional diagnosis without obligation is available if you need assistance. After removing the bracket, gently pull the hard drive out of its connector. Be careful not to tug too hard, as it may damage the SATA connector. If you're unsure about handling these components, we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make the process easier for you. Once the hard drive is out, take a moment to clean the internal area with compressed air. This helps remove any dust buildup that could affect the performance of your laptop. Now, if you're planning to replace the hard drive, align the new drive with the connector and gently push it back into place. Secure it with the bracket and screws you previously removed. If you have any doubts or need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Finally, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Replace all screws, including any that were hidden earlier. Reinsert the battery, flip the laptop back over, and power it on to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or are not comfortable with the extraction process, remember, no calls, no travel, just let us handle it for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.